This is not just a van. This is the van that delivers America every single day. From Amazon deliveries to camper van life, from airport shuttles to mobile workshops, one name is everywhere: Ford Transit 150. But what makes this van so special? Why did it replace the legendary Ford Econoline? And why do businesses and van life lovers trust it so much? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel Car AWD 765. If you love classic and modern vehicles, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, let's begin. The Ford Transit 150 was officially introduced in the United States in 2015. It was Ford's answer to a changing world: better fuel economy, modern design, more space, and smarter technology. Unlike old boxy vans, the Transit 150 looks modern and aerodynamic. Its tall body, clean lines, and wide stance give it a strong road presence. It doesn't look like a work van anymore, it looks professional. One of the biggest reasons behind its success is variety. Ford didn't make just one Transit 150, they made many versions. You can get it as a cargo van, perfect for deliveries and tools. A passenger van, seating up to 15 people. A crew van, which mixes cargo space with passenger seating. And even a cutaway or chassis cab, used for ambulances, RVs, and box trucks. Another game changer is roof height options. Low roof, medium roof, and high roof, meaning many adults can stand inside without bending. For camper conversions, this feature alone made Transit 150 a favorite. Then comes the wheelbase options. Regular, long, and extended wheelbase, so whether you need a city-friendly van or a highway cargo monster, there's a Transit for you. Under the hood, Ford offered reliable and powerful engines. The popular 3.7-liter V6, known for durability. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, loved for its power and towing ability. Later models came with improved 3.5-liter engines focused on efficiency. In 2019, Ford introduced all-wheel drive, which made Transit 150 even more capable, especially in snow, rain, and rough conditions. Inside the cabin, the Transit 150 feels more like a modern car than a truck. Comfortable seating, smart dashboard layout, touchscreen infotainment, backup camera, Bluetooth, and advanced safety features. This is why drivers spend long hours inside it without feeling tired. In America, the Ford Transit 150 is everywhere. Used by Amazon, FedEx, electricians, plumbers, mobile food businesses, and even police departments. But there's another group that loves it just as much: van life travelers. Because it's reliable, spacious, and easy to customize, Transit 150 became a top choice for camper van builds across the USA. Compared to the old Ford Econoline, the Transit 150 is lighter, more fuel efficient, safer, and more comfortable. That's why Ford officially replaced the Econoline with the Transit platform. Today, the Ford Transit 150 is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile business, a home on wheels, and a symbol of modern American transportation. From cities to highways, from workdays to road trips, the Transit 150 does it all. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Car AWD 765 for more classic and modern vehicle stories. Comment below and tell us, would you use a Ford Transit 150 for business or van life? See you in the next video.